All right. Good morning. Hello. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. My name is Precious George. Okay, and today I'm going to share with you how you can withdraw coins from your wallet. Okay, and this video is brought to you by Bluesy Crypto in partnership with Premium Digitals. All right. So, if you've been having challenges or issues or questions about how you can withdraw coins from your wallet, I'm going to solve that with you right now. So just come with me. So now, right now we're on Binance. Okay, and there are few things we can do when it comes to withdrawing our coins, and there are many coins. Actually, there are so many coins in the market cap. We have chills, BNB, Bitcoin, USDT, B, and so many. So it depends on the kind of coin you want to withdraw. Okay, so if we come to markets, we'll see so many. Okay, all right, we're in market. So now here in market, you see so many coins that are being traded and people are withdrawing every day. So it depends on what you want to withdraw. Sometimes it could be daily profit or weekly profit you get $10, $20, $40, $50, $100 you will choose to withdraw. Sometimes you may choose to withdraw a massive more amount. Okay. So here is the thing to withdraw. You go to what is called, okay. All right. You go to what is called your wallet, fiat and support. You tap on it. And okay, it's loading. All right. Okay, so now we are right now in our fiat and sports wallet to withdraw. Now, when it comes to withdrawing, okay, you can withdraw on Binance in two ways, three ways actually. The first method is by withdrawing directly to your bank account. And when you withdraw directly to your bank account on Binance, you are charged 15 US dollars. The least you are charged is 10 US dollars for converting money straight into your account, and it takes at most 5 minutes. Now, the second method is by using what is called Binance P2P. You go to P2P, okay? You go to P2P and you sell your coin and place it on sale. Whenever someone wants to buy coin, you will be among the ones that will be listed and you'll get payments. That's it. And the third method is by using what is called local exchanges. There are people I know, there are people as well that can buy your coin in large amounts and pay you cash instantly within a time of frame of at most it takes 3 hours. It takes 3 hours. Like since I've been trading, $100, $150, $200 withdrawal, it takes at most 3 hours. The least amount of time it takes is 3 minutes. 3 minutes, it's funded in your wallet instantly. So right now, this is the sports wallet, okay? And I want to withdraw. I always prefer using local exchanges because P2P is also very good. The only downside to it is that sometimes you may fall victim to sending, expecting someone to pay, and when the person is meant to pay, you are still waiting. Let's say you want to use the money within the next 30 minutes, and you don't get someone that clicks or chooses to buy from you because for you to sell off, someone has to buy from you, and the person will transfer to your account, and you transfer your USDT or whatever coin to the person. Myself, I mostly use USDT stablecoin because then I use it to trade other coins. If you want to trade, the two coins that are best to use for trading is USDT or BUSD. Except if the coin you want to trade does not have USDT and BUSD as their second pair, then you can use other coins like Troy. You have there are so many coins. There are so many different coins. All right. So right now I want to withdraw. Watch me do so. I click on withdraw. Okay. When I click on withdraw, I see this showing in my wallet. So what I want to withdraw is I want to withdraw USDT for instance. Okay. So I click on this, I click on USDT. Now it has shown me, okay, this is USDT, and I want to withdraw to. And here's the thing: never ever put or choose an address book in your Binance. When you set up an address book in your Binance, you realize that the only address you can withdraw to is your address, and that is as good as what, not cashing out in time. So you put the address. This is where you put the person's, sorry, this is where you put the person's wallet address. Let's say I'm to withdraw to a local exchange. I tell them, okay, hello, what's your rate? They tell me, okay, my rate is this. I'm like, okay. And I make sure that there are many exchanges, but I always prefer using a particular exchange because of they are very, very fast in cashing cashing out, giving out money. And I trust them, and also I know the person too. Okay. So that's why they're also trustworthy. And so when you use USDT, I will drop the link to their website and possibly their WhatsApp contact in the description box or possibly beside this video. Okay, so now I want to click on this thing, their wallet address. So let's say they've given me USDT and their wallet address is let's say I put in something here. They have sent me their wallet address. I put in their wallet address here. Okay. Then they'll ask me for what's my okay, for what my the network the network people is. Okay, let me just check copy one of this address here so you see what I mean. Okay, okay, let me see. All right, so let me copy this address for instance. Okay, let me copy this address. Okay, so all right, so now let's use this address. And if send money to this address right now, they are going to pay me for that. So I'm putting this address. This is their address. Then I click on network. Now, when it comes to network here, there are different network. Okay. Now, when you see this now, BSC is congested. It means that if you are trying to withdraw BSC right now, many people are withdrawing at the moment. So for that reason, it may take a while for the coin you're trying to withdraw to be approved. But we have BSC, Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, Trunks, Congested, Solana, BNB Unmatched. So, and every type of network you use shows you the amount of time it takes for it to be approved. So, Trunks and the rest. So now BSC is the one that is used, but it's congested. But let's still use it. What it means is that if it takes normal a minute to confirm your address, because any time you want to withdraw, they always have many people that confirm it. So if it takes a minute to confirm it because it is congested, it could take as much as 10 minutes. All right, because of many people are withdrawing. Many people are withdrawing. That's what it means. So now I'll click on congested. Okay, the network you selected is BSC. Blah 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 blah. Yes, you're sure because the thing is, if you put in a wrong address and you send to a wrong wallet, you are going to lose your coin. That is just the thing. So if that's why if you're not so sure about this, but I'll try to make sure that I take my time so that you see how easy it is. All right, that's the thing because I may not have the time again to be telling you to send to me and I will withdraw for you. You can do it this method, okay? So you click on yes, I'm sure. Then okay, now how much do you want to withdraw? For instance, let's say I want to withdraw 10 USDT. They'll give me 9.20 USDT because for any USDT you want to withdraw, they collect about $0.8. Sometimes it depends on how much. Okay, let's say I want to withdraw 100 USDT right now. They're collecting zero point 0.8 USD. Are you seeing it? So I'm gonna expect 99 USDT in my wallet. If I want to withdraw 1000 USDT, I'm collecting 999.2 USDT. That means they're collecting zero point 0.8 USDT from my wallet. So if you want to avoid that charge, it's always important you withdraw at least any amount point 90. That is it. How do I mean? Okay, so I want to withdraw 10 USDT for the purpose of this video. Okay, so I click on point 9, or let's say point 8. So it's remake. I'm adding both the charge and I'm clicking on withdraw. And the moment I click on withdraw, bam, it takes me to another window. Yes, you select your transfer network. Few platforms support the BSC network. Please confirm that the same platform support this network. Yes, that is to confirm that the network that I'm sending this to is a BP20 kind of coin. So um, I will now choose yes, confirm. So now it's like showing me that okay, you want to withdraw, receive this, blah 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 blah. Transaction. Now, the moment I click on continue, bam, they will ask me to confirm I want to withdraw. They'll send a code to my phone number, send a code to my email address, and I must impute these codes. And after imputing them, I click on OK, confirm. I can be able to withdraw. All these things are just measures to make sure that one successfully does what? Withdraws and confirms that he's the one withdrawn and not a mistake withdrawal. Okay. So I hope you got value from this video. I still remain precious. So you can go to my YouTube channel, or you can also go to primeodigital.com forward slash programs and leave a review on the crypto to profit course. Okay. I celebrate you.